let's be real for a second. Older men always secure the bag. Just think about it. Let's say you're 18 right now. You got a girl. I guarantee you a 23-year-old could scoop your girl up, no problem. You're 25. Yeah, a 32-year-old could take that girl any second. You want to know why? Women are obsessed with older men. And see, it's not the age per se, but more so the characteristics that older men have. Yeah, that's what they desire. Today, I'm going to highlight 5 characteristics that older guys have that you could start implementing in yourself to become more attractive. Let's hop into it. Number 1, accumulating resources. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're telling me to attract gold diggers. No. See, every woman wants a guy that has resources. That just makes sense. If you can't even take care of yourself, how can you take care of her? And this was proven through a study. See, what you need to have is financial literacy. What you don't need to have 6 zeros in your bank account. This was proven through a study where they found that both men and women actually found potential significant others less attractive when they were wearing designer brands. You want to know why? Because it signaled to them that those people make impulsive, immature decisions. Women aren't looking for guys that show off or are flashy. Women are looking for guys that are financially literate. Financially literate guys, they accumulate resources. Resources attract women. Number 2, seems so simple, but a bed and a bed frame. Women know that they're dealing with an older guy when they go to their apartment and their bed is not stuck up in a corner and it's an old raggedy box spring bed. See, most guys don't actually start investing in their sleep till they're like in their 25, 26, 30 age because they're becoming wiser. They realize how important sleep is and more importantly, how good it looks in their bedroom. Yo, having a good bed frame and a good bed, yo, that looks attractive. That reflects good on you. So yes, this is a move that older men have that you as a younger dude, you need to start implementing. And if you're older, you better start implementing. You're delayed in the game. Yo, the moment I picked up my Helix mattress from our sponsor, my sleep was changed forever. I kid you not. See, most guys think that to shop for mattresses, you have to do it the old school way. You have to go to the store, you have to test out mattresses, and then you have to lug this big old thing into your apartment or to your home. It's not like that anymore. See, Helix has a sleep quiz. It's super simple, and I encourage all of you guys to go check it out. If you guys click the link down below, you guys can go and take the quiz for free. The sleep quiz basically takes into account all your sleeping data, which is like your age, your gender, how you sleep, if you're a tummy sleeper, a back sleeper, all that type of stuff. It takes in all that data, and then it tells you which type of mattress firmness you should be shopping for so you can sleep better throughout the night. Not only are you going to have a quality mattress that, yes, that is impressive, that is attractive, especially, you know, but more importantly than all that nonsense, you'll sleep better. With better sleep, you'll think better. You'll perform better. You'll be stronger in the gym. And more importantly, you yourself are going to look more attractive. See, with Helix, you get the mattress delivered in a box, delivered to your door. Honestly, the unboxing experience is probably the most enjoyable part. And I'd say it kind of pays itself. Just unboxing one of these mattresses is probably the funnest part itself because it comes air compressed. As soon as you unroll it, the mattress starts inflating and it starts falling out into its full size. What I have is a king size mattress. This thing is crazy comfortable. As soon as I got this, yo, I'm telling you, I sleep like a baby. Look, if it makes you nervous to buy something that you haven't tried, Helix has a 100-night sleep trial, so you can get more than 3 months to make sure that you love it. If you don't, they'll pick it up for you and you'll get a full refund. I love my Helix and I think you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Helix. You can click the link down below or go to helixsleep.com/TMF and get up to $200 off your Helix mattress plus 2 free pillows. That way your whole room, the whole aesthetic of your room is elevated and you're making grown man moves. Boys, it's time to, no. Men, it's time to make grown man moves. Click that link down below. Which takes us on to number 3. When you're a little bit ugly. And I know that's a little bit harsh. You just don't want to be too pretty. You don't want to be too good looking. See, good looking men, they're great for flings, according to studies. However, for long-term relationships, you don't want to be super good looking, super pretty. Instead, you want to be a little bit rough on the edges. Truth is, women are more likely to be attracted to average men. Want to know why? Because they're less likely to cheat and or have more options to do so. Which kind of means, that you subscribe to this channel could actually be hurting you. But who the hell cares? Because I'm trying to make you look good, bro. Number 5, stability. And I got this tip from my Uber driver. My Uber driver. See, we were having a conversation. It was about a 30-minute ride, and he's 60 years old. He was telling me how he was through 2 divorces. None of them worked. We were talking about marriages, and he started telling me that if I want to make mine last, that I have to avoid all the noise and all the girls outside. He basically said a quote which is amazing, basically saying that most men think that stolen water is sweeter, when in reality, it's as bitter as vinegar. He's right. The wisdom, rock solid. He was telling me that with this new outlook on life, he's able to concentrate more on relationships, and his relationships are lasting longer. Like, women are enjoying him more now. If he could do it all over again, he would do it with this mentality. What does this tell you? Women love stability. They don't want a guy that flip-flops, and that comes straight from my Uber driver. Finally, number 6, intelligence. See, studies prove that with age comes knowledge and experience. And this is what fascinates girls, bro, because you can keep her entertained. You can tell her fascinating stories. You can hold an intelligent conversation. Whereas most boys, yeah, they're only talking about GameStop. Like, that's literally the wealth of their knowledge. See, this is why I tell you, if you're young right now, you can speed up this aging process and have that same skill by going on more adventures, go on more trips, join more hobbies, join more clubs, learn more activities, read more books, listen to more podcasts. The wider your knowledge is, the more entertaining you're gonna be. The older you're gonna appear, and that's desirable. Boys, I'm sorry, let me do it again. Men, that's it for me today. You put those 6 tips into practice, you're gonna be an irresistible beast. That's it for me today, boys. See you next.